Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2018 Renault Megane and I will show you which fuse to check in case your front windshield washers are not working. This video will apply to 4th generation of Renault Meganes made from 2016. The fuse you want to check will be located in the main fuse box, which is under the steering wheel just on the left side behind this cover. Now to remove this cover there is a small opening down here, so just want to pull it towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram. You'll have a yellow fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses, and you will have a couple of spare fuses as well. Once the cover is off, you have a full access to all of the fuses. I turned the flash on my phone, so this is more visible what I'm about to show you. And the front windshield washer fuse, it's a 10 amp red fuse located just here on the top above these two blue 15 amp fuses. So this red fuse right here, I will try to zoom it in as well because it's quite deep. So this is your fuse, and hopefully this fuse will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you will have to do a bit more digging and start looking towards the windshield washer switch, wiring, or the motor issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.